Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix flight mode not showing in Taskbar system tray in Windows 11. So click on this system tray. As we can see, airplane mode is not appear here. So to resolve this problem, right click anywhere, then click on edit quick settings. Also you can access edit quick settings by clicking this pen icon. Now here click on add. Here select airplane mode. Now click on done. Now restart your system. So this is the setting guys, you can fix and resolve airplane mode missing in taskbar. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.